period of self-analysis will set in this month that will open your eyes to many things. You will find yourself viewing your friends, business, and environment with an analytical eye that will give you better insight than you perhaps had before. Treasure this chance to see things clearly and unemotionally, and you may well be surprised. Emotions cloud issues, so this unveiling will be quite revealing. Much of your month will be spent in the more serious pursuits that will help you build toward a permanent future. Eliminate everything that hinders you. Fair weather friends, frivolous pursuits, and unnecessary possessions. Dedicate yourself to study during this period that is so favorable to such endeavors. Do not limit your scope, but follow every trend of thought to encompass all things and experiences. Everything in life, people, traditions, arts, and business are important in the fiber of being. Only when one studies does one understand, and to understand is to enjoy life. Let your curiosity uncover the secrets and mysteries of life. Explore the mystic and the occult, and you will make many interesting discoveries along these lines. Frivolous or transitory pleasures will be overshadowed by the serious thoughts and interests you will have at this time. That is as it should be. Study and curiosity will lead you to greater truths than social pleasures or fleeting thrills. Your intuition will be very valuable now, and you can trust it to supply the answers you seek. As critical or analytical as your friends may think you are now, your judgment is sure to be correct if you take the time to see things clearly and objectively. Patient silence will prevail as you plan and initiate all your future activities after a period of thorough self-analysis. Use the insight gained to determine just what it is you want and how to go about it. Choose the most direct and logical route, and then do as you think best without hesitation. Your way will be proved correct. This is not a good time for speculating or for putting financial gains ahead of your better judgment. Losing your temper or being overcritical now can be detrimental to your health as well as your career and relationships. Put your suspicions and jealousy aside and contemplate your future coolly and clearly. A vacation might well be timely, and in any case, you should guard your health now.